no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This time I am reviewing a unit from Alipearl. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below, so make sure y'all go check that out. I love that these companies be giving us little goodies. They gave me an elastic band, some lashes, and a little headscarf and a wig cap. So in the inside of the cap, you get 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. So here is what the hairline looks like before I got to plucking her. This is straight out the bag, y'all. Not bad, right? So I am using my hot comb just to straighten those knots out. And so the plucking begins. I don't have a specific way on plucking my hair, but I did take a hair plucking class from a young lady. Her name is Blue on Instagram. B-L-E-U. I hope that's I hope I am saying her name right, but I will have her information down below as well. Y'all, when I tell you she plucks human hair and synthetic hair to the guys, I had to take a class from her. Again, if you want to take her class, I will link that below. I will link all her information below as well. Y'all, I am just plucking to my liking, okay? There is no technique that I'm specifically doing. At this point, I am just plucking to the desired hairline that I want. Obviously, y'all see that before and after. The before is at the bottom, the after is at the top. Right? Big difference. I decided to go with a side part. So I will be parting this hair on top of my head, then taking her off and doing the necessary, cutting of the lace and getting that part really defined on my mannequin head. I am plucking the inside of that part that I wanted just to open it up just a little bit. I never want to over pluck because at the end of the day, if you over pluck, your wigs after a while and the hairline after a while will become very thin. So I pluck her to get a natural hairline, but I don't try to overly pluck like I used to. thank God they came with an elastic band already. So off camera, I did go ahead and cut off the ear flaps and whatnot, cutting a little bit of layers. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even have the right scissors, but I think I did it. I think I cut some layers. I am going to put some curls in her as well. I think this wand curl is from Revlon, I believe. I will have that in my description box as well if you want to go pick her up. I think I got this from Big Lots, y'all. It was probably like, don't give me the lying. I'll probably put the price on the screen, but don't give me the lying. I know it was cheap. And she gave me some cute curls. So let's talk about this hair. Oh my God. When I tell you the thickness of this hair is so beautiful. This hair did not shed. It did not tangle. It's very soft, very manageable. It held a curl pretty nicely, y'all. I think I sprayed it with some bedhead spray, but other than that, y'all, wow. This hair was beautiful, y'all. So everything about her will be in my description box below. If y'all want to go buy her, go pick her up. I would like to thank Alipearl for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.